Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and had a lovely Christmas and New Year. It's my first update of 2026 and I've got some really exciting news to share. First up, the verified results of the summer 2025 GCSE examinations have been published, and I'm thrilled to say our secondary schools have achieved their best results since 2019. We're getting much closer to the Welsh average, and in some areas we're even doing better. This is all thanks to the amazing work of our teachers and students, and we're super proud to keep education a top priority. Now for some big news about the Rhydycar West development. As you might know, it was discussed at the Planning, Regulatory and Licensing Committee meeting on Wednesday the 7th of January, and I'm delighted to announce that all members voted against the recommendation to refuse the application, essentially showing their support for the development. This is a massive step forward, and it means the applicant can now start working on the detailed designs for the project. This development is truly a game changer for Merthyr Tudful. The support for Rhydycar West has been incredible, and you can really see the buzz on social media and everyone's excited about it. I'm personally really looking forward to seeing it all come to life. The construction phase alone will create a lot of well-paid jobs, and even more once the site is up and running. There's so much happening, so definitely keep an eye out for more updates. We've received a number of weather warnings throughout the week, so please make sure you're checking our social media regularly to stay in the loop. That's all from me this week. Have a great weekend. Diolch.